came all the way from Düzce. Welcome. Thank you.
Hi. First of all, I appreciate to be here for the invitation of Dr. Selim to here, and it's an honor to be here also. I want to mention, and also I want to thank for Dr. Selim and his all staff, and also to me. So we have opportunity to just mention about our patents and our studies. And I hope some inventors will like our presentation and we can speak later. Okay, just as I mentioned, I'm from, Dr. Selim mentioned, I'm from Düzce University, from Mechanical Engineering Department, and we are just focused on corrosion. And so I will make a small presentation about corrosion, because I know that some of you have less information or no information about corrosion. So it will take a few seconds, and then I will mention about our patents and also our company, what we are doing and what we are trying to produce. Yeah, our company was established, first of all, I forget, one of my friends, Professor Ibrahim Urash is my friend, and we built this company together. And a new news, he already became our dean. So I want to just congratulate him. So Ibrahim Urash now he's our faculty dean. We can make a round.
Congratulations!
Yeah.
Let's congratulate him for being the dean.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
And now we in 2015 we as a calling of a nation Boron Research Institute. This institute sometimes may open some call, and just they accepted very few projects. So our project supported by this institute, it's very important. So this project, this institute give a very small amount of they supported very less projects. So later we built a company in with the support of KOSGEB, and here are you can see the number of the project numbers, and we built this company. So what are we are planning? What we are doing? Yeah, just the question is what we are producing for, and what is corrosion? So corrosion is a cancer. Yeah, it's a cancer of the metals. So metals with environment, with chemical and electrochemical reactions, they corroded. So they lost energy and they became to mineral form. So this is a big problem for industry. So all, especially mechanical engineering and other fields, they have a big problem with corrosion, and they're trying to solve this problem. Yeah. So as you can see that corrosion is in everywhere. You can see just I want to remind you that in 1999 we had a very bad experience about earthquakes. Yeah. And there is a very clear reports that in 70% of the all buildings are corroded. Yeah. And because of this corrosion, they collapse. So corrosion is a serious issue for construction and safety. And corrosion, I told you, is the enemy of the all metal except gold. If you have something mation with gold, so there is no problem with corrosion. But as you know that it's impossible. So except of the noble metals, all metals can corrode very easily. So you can see it's everywhere. And what is the economic cost of the corrosion? And there is very clear also scientific papers and also very good reports, and that it's very big. It's very big. Nearly 3.5% of the all economy of the country, approximately, is lost because of the corrosion. And you can see that it's in transportation, utilities, and all production and manufacturing system, there is a big amount of corrosion cost to economy. So the consequence of the corrosion, due to formation of the corrosion process over the machines, the efficiency of the machine gets lost, failure due to the corrosion. I want to mention something about that. For example, in 2017, there was a report in the United States pipeline company that 65% of the accidents happen due to corrosion. So the corrosion can, it's clear that it's a big problem for economy, also it's a big problem for safety. And as I told you before, because of earthquakes and also some accidents can occur due to corrosion. The products gets contaminated due to corrosion. We lost the metals, and it's a big problem. Corrosion realizes toxic products, healthy hazards. Also, I know that we have some doctors here, so they know that nowadays we have big problem about Alzheimer's, yeah? And we know that there's very also good paper about that. The Alzheimer is cured due to aluminium corrosion, yeah? And so the aluminium, when you drink vest and some beer or something like that, so you just took aluminium in your body, and so it makes you Alzheimer's. So there's some discussion about it. So we have also some good scientific papers about copper, also lead. We know that they have a big impact on our safety and our health. Okay. So the corrosion is a big problem, and in some European countries there are some departments, for example, corrosion engineering departments. We know that, and they are working very hard. And how they can solve this problem? The problem is you can solve with use the right material for the right solution and right situation. Sorry, effective paints and coatings. And 3 is corrosion inhibitors. Now, our company is about corrosion inhibitors. Now, I will open this point. And another one is anodic and cathodic protection. Okay, where we use corrosion inhibitors. What is corrosion inhibitors? Corrosion inhibitors are some chemicals when you add to the solution, they make a barrier on the metal surface. You can see the inhibitor very small. For example, in our products, we use for 1 liter, we use 0.01 gram. We add, and the corrosion stop immediately. Now I will open a video for you, and you will see by yourself. So where you can use our products? Our product you can use in petroleum refinery, and drilling companies, or pulp and paper, chemical manufacturing, iron and steel. Especially iron and steel, I will also open this section, and also other automotive sectors, all sectors where you are using metal, there is corrosion, so you have to use some chemicals to stop or just slow down the corrosion process. Okay, what is our differences? What is our differences is, this, I know also some of our guests are from universities, they know Science Direct. So it's not clear, unfortunately, but I will try to read here. When you write corrosion inhibitor, especially green corrosion inhibitor to the as a keyword, you can see there are many research by the time. So I will just read here. I can also not manage to read it. For example, in 2011, there was 500 papers. 2012, it was 5. And every year, 100 paper, you can see there was a great interest in researching green corrosion inhibitors. So our products is a green corrosion inhibitor. Why we need a green corrosion inhibitor? Because there is some chemicals just stop the corrosion, but they are toxic because they have sulfur, nitrogen, and multiple bonds, and they have very bad effect on our healthy and environment. So it is forbidden in many European countries. But unfortunately, in our country, there is no, we don't know what they are doing, what they are using, we don't. So it's a big gap in Turkey about green corrosion. Okay, the company offers ecological solutions to eliminate this concern. So the company, our company, HMH, has 4 patents. And all patents are, 2 of them are accepted in Turkish Patent Office. And I will also show you one of our patents took a runner-up prize in 2nd International Invitation Fair. And this is Ali Ibrahim Urash and me, Rengi. So our products, our patented products, you can easily use, especially in pickling pools, when before painting. For example, you produce something. There are some steps before paint. So one of them is picking. Picking is you just put the sample inside in an acid. So our inhibitor is good, very good, 98% of the efficiency we calculated. And we are, as a scientist, we measure and we have a scientific value. If somebody wants, we can share all SM pictures, EDS structures, atomic force microscope results, and tuffle polarization, electroimpedance spectroscopy results. All data we have, so we can share all this data to who wants. Okay, this is the patents, the number of the patents. You can just check from Turkish Patent Office, and 2 of them, just we have been obtained 1 of them, and 3 of them we have this result of this. And 2 patents application we made to PCT, to India Patent Office. Okay, what we want to do. And the amount of investment we made is, you can see that the 800,000 Turkish lira we made by projects. And still we are working on with TÜBİTAK and also some university projects. We are giving some duty to our master degree student and the PhD student, and we are working on. So the sector, the size of the sector is about $1.1 billion, and the size of the sector in our company is here. You can see that, and there is a very, very weak companies. Yes, they are doing good work, but they have no knowledge. Okay, and what we want?
We need to wrap up.
Okay.
Let's wrap up.
What?
Let's wrap up because
okay.
time is up.
Okay. Request budget we want 2,000. And we want to share 16% of our company. So what we are doing to do? I saw that some guys just we want to make a pilot production, and we want to just for each patent we want to produce 1 kilogram raw material per month. This value means that approximately 250 liters of inhibitor for patented inhibitor. That means 1 ton. So new research will be continued by adding new research to our company. We will take some staffs, our master students, our PhD students, and the investigation on reducing the cost of the price, because this is a big project and we want to also reduce the cost. Our product, this is very important. Our product is boron-based product. So, as you know that our government wants to support boron-based products. And it's easy to take projects from TÜBİTAK and KOSGEB because of that. Also, we will make, with this money, a web page will be prepared for the promotion and sale of the products. Trace samples will be given to the companies, so they will try and give us feedback. And also, we will try to sell 5, 10, 25 liters in local hardware stores. And
okay,
so
we have to stop the presentation now.
1 minute.
Okay.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Okay, so please, I will take a movie for you.
Because you're above your time, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
see that you are only hard to me.
The jury asks questions, then we'll continue as long as you want.
This video is intended for one of the patented HMH company's products. As you can see that this experiment is carried out in a highly acidic environment. The hydrogen gas output process occurs as a result of the interaction of the metal with the acid. When 20 ml of our patented corrosion inhibitor was added to the test cell a change in the reaction was immediately observed. As you can see that the hydrogen gas output slowed down immediately. But if you look clearly, it's still seen that the gas output continues at a low level. We want to stop it. So, in order to stop the reaction completely, another 5 ml of the inhibitor was added to the solution and stirred. Now, you see that there is no hydrogen gas output.
Yeah, so I just stop it. This is 2 molar sulfuric acid. So in pickling pools, they use this solution, and our product stop the corrosion. Pickling is cleaning the metal, the production method to clean the surface of the metal. So when they clean, also the corrosion is happening. So we add this inhibitor, and now we can see that there is no corrosion on the surface of the metal. Okay.
Thank you very much. Let's give him a round of applause for this great presentation. Thank you. Any questions from the jury for HMH Korozyon? Yes. Ali Hocam from Karabük.
Hello, thanks for the presentation. This is very good, interesting for me. Only I want to understand, you only test for static situation or parts they are working in each other?
Okay, I understand what
Yes.
Okay, just my friend, just we checked, for example, steel, aluminium, brass. We put in an acidic environment. As you know that we are using pickling tools, yeah.
No, testing.
Not movement, yeah.
Yeah, I want to understand.
Okay, you can ask Turkish.
How it is, this is for wearing. Some kind of wearing happening between
No.
Because wearing accelerates the corrosion.
Yeah.
How do you solve the parts that are dynamically
My friend, okay, when you add the inhibitor to the system, this inhibitor goes through the metal surface. Okay, they make a barrier on the surface of the metal. So you have to check, for example, every month you have to check the pH of the solution and also the chemical content of the solution. So if it's finished, so just you can add again. Okay, just you don't need to. There's no available to use in every system you can use.
Thank you so much. And our next presentation, let's give a round of applause to HMH Korozyon.